Good afternoon, Don Brewer, Super Scientist. It's Mother's Day 2020, and this is our third installment of the COVID-19 stay-at-home science, where I try to give you some science demonstrations that you can do with things you have around the house, and also some ideas that you can tweak it, make it your own, post it on Flipgrid, and show us what you guys came up with. So for today's activity, it's called Bag Bomb. And what you need for Bag Bomb is you need some sandwich bags, some Ziploc bags. Okay, you see I got two sizes here. I got snack, and then I've got regular sandwich. You'll need some white vinegar. You'll need some baking soda and food coloring if you want to color your vinegar to make it stand out better. You'll also want a cup for your baking soda to sit in and a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. All right, I went ahead and measured 1 cup of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of baking soda ahead of time so that this video will not be such a long upload. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to put it all together and see what happens. Bag Bomb, to give a little bit of science behind it, it is an experiment, or it's a demonstration of a chemical change. Okay, a chemical change when a new material is created, and it cannot be reversed. You can't turn it back the way it was. So I'm going to put the vinegar in the bag, and I'm going to put the baking soda, a cup of baking soda, in the bag, but I'm going to just let it float in the bag, hopefully without it getting mixed. I don't want it to come into contact with the vinegar yet, because as soon as it does, the reaction is going to occur. So right now you can see we've got a perfect setup for this, and now I'm going to go ahead and give it a little shake, and we'll see what happens. And look at the bag inflating. That's the carbon dioxide gas that was created, and unfortunately we've got a leak, so we're not going to get our explosion. But you can see the carbon dioxide gas has inflated the bag, and there, with a little shaking, now we have our little explosion at the end. So I think you guys can probably see the potential to make this your own and have some fun with it. So once again, the supplies: Ziploc bags, white vinegar, baking soda, food coloring if you want, and just keep track of what you're doing. Measure it out, see what kind of results you get, see how fast it takes or how long it takes to get an explosion or to get the bag to burst. Maybe see how much area the vinegar will cover. You can just play around with it, experiment, put it on Flipgrid so we can all can see it. I'll see you all next week. Have a good one.